Hello guys, review Galaxy S24 FE, this version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory, B version, international version, okay. In complementation we have only Type-C cable and device in the blue color, okay, triple camera on the back side. On this side, power button and warm buttons, metal edge and glass on the back and on the front. Type-C, speaker, slot for 2 nano SIM card. Okay. Android we have 14, about phone. One UI 6.1, Android 14. Okay. And open tests. Geekbench 6. We have display 6.7 inch, Full HD Plus, 120 Hz, dynamic AMOLED display, Exynos 2400E. We have CPU and GPU Eclipse 940. Okay, look results, very good results we have. And open undo the benchmark. Undo the benchmark results, okay, very powerful. PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level, and now I show you camera, show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.